It was only by chance that Anna learned to dance. A red dress to enhance. The air was filled with romance. Gifts sitting in rows, decked with bright holiday bows. Every elf has toys and knows where every Christmas present goes. Family gatherings for dinner at night. Children grown up with happy delight. Candles glowing under Christmas snow outside white. Laughter and spirits energy bright. Reindeer with Christmas lights sitting on a mat. A snowman with a carrot nose sat. Santa sitting on a sled while children heads he would pat. While hiding in bushes there were hidden cats. Santa big and fat, wearing a red Christmas hat, reading letters of children's toys stored in a vat, warming his hands before a Christmas fire when down from the chimney flew a scary black bat. Fireworks in the night, brilliant lights reaching top heights, living life seems so right, pushing through life with all your might. Holiday stockings have been hung. Christmas songs have been sung. Angels singing and Christmas bells rung. Santa's moves quietly through the night. The fireworks give him some light. Down the chimney so white. From such a very tall height. He waits below. While children sleep and snore so. Santa could be heard singing ho ho ho. Placing Christmas presents in tow. Coming from the woods and dale. Santa checks his email. The wind outside is rain and hail. His spirit strong, he must not fail. Santa reaching for a snack. He moves his aching back. Santa treats himself from a boy named Zach. He leaves the room clean and intact. Around the corner came a Christmas train. Christmas weather, better snow than rain. The red Santa wreath said Santa's name. A smiling child eating a candy cane. Rising early out of bed, winter clothes and happily fed, a Christmas tree on a sled, down the hill towards family they head. Cheerful sisters full of smiles, happy greetings and pretty wiles, snap a photo then sends and dials, on a smartphone they store the files. A playful kitty on a piano plays, songs of fun and yesterday, the cat wearing a Christmas hat, playing the songs while he sat. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I hope you're all filled with cheer. While driving watch out for deer. May your lives be full of smiles not tears.